Today is September 1, so this is our first day of the fair. Yeah. Ayan guys.
Hi guys.
So we are here at the park. What kind of park is this? What the
Heinz
name?
Park.
Heinz Park. Well, the Heinz Park is the biggest park.
Well, it's the longest that goes through the most cities.
Yes. So that's the kids area. Look at this. The kids is enjoying this in the top.
This is the beginning of the park. This is Northville we're in right now.
Yeah.
And it goes through Plymouth and Livonia and Westland and I forget all the cities. It's like 12, I think. I might be wrong, but it's a bunch. And
So we are stopped here at the park, guys. I'm go walking, and then we have a family around there. They are doing barbecue. They're doing a dinner or lunch. So me and my husband enjoy the weather today because soon they're getting colder, and I cannot go outside if it's really cold. So this is the river, Tabing Ilog. Look at this, guys. The color is like greenish because they are more algae, but some people here do also fishing here, guys. So we're going to their fields. Look at these fields, it's so beautiful. You don't have kids around here because it's cold this today, so the kids are still at school. So my husband was sitting down there doing his phone. So this is the little bridge going to the other side. So if you're not subscribed yet, guys, to my channel, please subscribe my channel, guys. So here's my husband. He was laughing at me. I don't know why he was laughing at me, guys. Look at him. He was laughing. From the park, guys, we're heading going to looking something to eat. Kasi ang husband, guys, nag-craving siya ng ice cream. So but I'm not sure where we go. So this is the park. It's very nice. Nice weather today. It's not traffic today because more people will spend time to the fair now. I'm sure that today's the people there because next week starting cold. Colder and colder and colder. Some trees here now started change their color, but not totally change all. Some of them are not yet. It's my husband driving us going to the place that he wants to go get some ice cream. I think he was craving on ice cream, guys. So just wait for these two cars and yeah, it's your turn. Guys. I'm gonna give you update when the color of the trees are changing. For now, it's not yet totally changed. Some trees, they are starting to change their color, but not much yet. Maybe after next to before end of the month they are starting change their color. No,
Into
if the
September,
yeah,
you start.
if the weather's like 30 down. Oh no, 30 down. They have snow already.
Well, no.
Below 30.
You want it below freezing for the colors to really start. Just a couple nights.
Oh.
Not enough to get snow. Although if you got snow, that would.
Oh, we are here inside of the DQ. Ayan, yung asawa ko, guys. Ayan, guys. Ayan. We're in the DQ. It's Mr. Sun.
You can even see out the top. So not.
I saw it already.
You saw them on the top of that hill? At the top?
On the top of there.
Oh. Yes. Great. I was thinking you were going to camera forward, and I'm like, why are you pointing at the floor?
So guys, this is the old village here. So look at their houses, so beautiful. Maybe the houses is 100 years old too.
I don't know which way I want to go. I guess this way.
Old village.
Plymouth's historic old village. Okay.
Welcome to the old
That's what I
village.
figured. Go back down that way. Well, we'll go this way first. We'll let this guy go because we're on where he is.
So this is part of Northville.
No, Plymouth.
Plymouth.
Plymouth. Old village, Plymouth. Bad railroad
Train tracks.
Bad train tracks.
Have to be careful. I like the houses here.
Wall Street.
I mean the views of the houses that they don't have a fence. You can see the view of your houses. In Philippines you cannot do that. Most houses there they have fence. Protection from the people. But in the